Hi everyone, my name is Vilma, and in this short video I will talk about how to use the main features or the main tools of BBB. So as Big Blue Bottom is a conferencing tool, the main features or the main tool we have is in this area which says actions. When you click there, it says start the poll, upload the presentation, and share an external video. I'll click on upload the presentation, and then I come to this window. I have to browse for the file I want to upload in my system, so I will choose this. It comes in this part, and then I said upload. Yeah, it takes a few minutes to upload the presentation, and then it will appear on the main screen of BBB. Okay, so we can click in this part that says restore presentation, as I uploaded the PowerPoint presentation already. So there you are. And then you can start explaining, and you can just move your slides by using these arrows. Yeah. When you want to finish your presentation, you just click on hide. Another important tool that we can use during the presentations is the poll, as I said before. So you click there, and then you can start writing questions of different types, like yes, no questions, true or false, or 2-option, 3-option questions, and 4 or more options. So it depends on you and how you want to create it. Something else you can do is click on the right, and then you have some options that says make full screen, settings, about, help, keyboard shorts, and end meeting. So basically these are the main tools we can use in BBB. Thanks for watching.